Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this street style sweet peanutty snack at home. This is a recipe you would want to watch till the end because it's so easy to make and is a great way to enjoy your roasted groundnuts or peanuts. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, welcome, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell before you leave. So here I have all the ingredients we're going to be using to make this recipe today, and like so many of my other recipes on this channel, we only need a few basic pantry staples. First, I have here 2 cups roasted peanuts. I also have 3/4 cup granulated sugar. Then I have 2 teaspoons cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and this is actually optional, and a teaspoon salt. Please bear in mind that these peanuts are already roasted. In a pan, I'm going to be adding in my sugar. Next, I'll be pouring in 1/2 cup of water. Then I'm going to be stirring this until my pan heats up. Feel free to adjust this recipe depending on how much you're making. For instance, if you're making 4 cups of peanuts, you're just going to be doubling all the other ingredients. At this point, if you haven't given the video a thumbs up, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Next, I'm just going to be adding a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons cinnamon powder, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. I'm just going to keep stirring until everything is perfectly combined and my mixture becomes thick and turns into a fine syrup. And this should take about 4 to 7 minutes on medium to low heat. At this point, you would notice that the mixture has gradually turned into a beautiful brown syrup, and this is the perfect time to add your roasted peanuts. Now I'm just going to gradually pour in my syrup, and I'm going to keep stirring until the peanuts are completely coated in this beautiful syrup and everything dries out. I'm sure you will agree with me that this is so easy to make and anyone can make them, and I promise you everyone that takes a bite of this will love it. At this point, my peanuts are ready and they look so good. I'm just going to turn off the heat and let them cool. Once they are cool, they are ready to be served. You can enjoy them as a snack with a cold drink. You can also serve them as an appetizer before the main dish is ready. You can also make this for your next picnic or party, and everyone is definitely going to ask for more. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you make this, please let me know how it turned out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.